Nyonyo. Maziwa.
Mimi nitakuwa dogi ninyonye. Chi dogi big. Si big. Unafanya nini dogi?
Nachukua video kuona dogi ikinyonyo.
Ataka.
Wait.
Sitakuma. Atakanyaga.
Mbona zinanyonya?
Hi, puppy.
Kuja huku.
Zinanyonya. Mami.
Usiirushie itakuuma. Usiirushie. Usirushie mwa.
Yes, those are the crazy escarpment from Iten all the way to Chesogoch. It's 45 kilometers non-stop braking of the car. So it's very rare finding trailers along this side because the stiff is crazy. And at the same time, there's a place, it's called, it's like a kind of a stopover where normally one has to stop, even if you have a small car. Like an example, that one, that is a TX. It has to do a stopover, or else it will just lose the brakes along the way and nothing you can do. So you have to do a stopover for like 15 to 20 minutes, cool the car. Once it's cold, pour the water on the tires or on the rims rather, and you're good to go. So this place is ideal for a stopover because it's a place full of, you know, those are friends, because it's a Chesogoch, it's a West Pokot. So you know exactly what happens at West Pokot. It's a crazy one, but this one tends to be a more secure place because on the other side there are some mamas who normally crash the stones, helped by boys, and you are able to do a stopover safely and you relax as you proceed. Because from here to Chesogoch is now 14 kilometers, but you will maneuver at a speed of 20. So that is how crazy it is. So those are the hills of the mountain. They are the hills of Iten, from Iten. So those guys who have moved, who have operated from Iten to Chesogoch can exactly tell you how the place is or how the landscape itself is. Thank you.